I'm Mike Andrews, Chief Scientist of Trust Metrics, and today I want to talk about rating websites for advertisers. Advertisers have to pick and choose among websites for the ones they want to advertise on. Obviously, they can't advertise on every website, and so rating websites is sort of a convenient way to do that, because armed with a rating, you can just sort websites by their rating and start picking sites starting with the most highly rated and just working your way down until you have enough online ads. So all else being equal, they want to advertise on websites they like better. These ratings are typically manual. They're typically manually done. They involve somebody looking through many pages for each website and coming up with an overall judgment for how good or bad that website is for that particular advertiser. And different advertisers will have different criteria for rating websites. Some advertisers may prefer well laid out, highly reputable websites with current content, privacy policies. Others may want to avoid advertising next to too much user-generated content or pornography or profanity or hate speech, what have you. Some advertisers want low ad-to-edit ratios, so their ads are more prominent relative to the content of the site. But the really key point I want to make is that automating that website rating process is quite valuable. It's certainly scalable when a manual process isn't. It's relatively cheap. It's accurate. In automating the rating process, what we do is basically develop a simple mathematical formula that relates thousands of things we measure about each website to the accurate scores we want to produce. And these scores from the get-go are sort of targeted to accurately reproducing or mimicking what the best, most highly trained experts would come up with in terms of scores. And in developing these formulas or models, what we're basically looking for is particular measurements that correlate well with the accurate scores we want to produce out of these models. Once we find a robust set of correlations, we sort of bake that into a mathematical formula, call that a model, and then use that to go ahead and score millions, if not hundreds of millions, of new websites. Now, in all of this, I've sort of glossed over pretty much all of the statistical techniques we use, but suffice it to say, we're sort of using state-of-the-art techniques coming out of the academic statistics and computing science literatures to sort of make sure we're staying abreast. We scan through the literature on pretty much a daily basis, looking for things that can help us make more accurate, more robust models, what have you. But I would sort of like to invite everybody in the audience out there to drop us a line if you have any favorite techniques that you think may be useful for us, or if you're aware of some new work that just came out which we could use in this automated rating process. Please drop us a line. My email is mra@trustmetrics.com. That's pretty much all I plan to say today. So I'll just wrap up by saying this is Mike Andrews for Trust Metrics, speaking about rating websites for advertisers.